Hello everybody, my name is Smurfo, aka Steven, and today we'll be looking at the devastating downfall of my good friend DREG. DREG started out making videos on YouTube at one point in his life. During this time, DREG would make Fortnite and Minecraft videos. This was ordinary for people like him with no friends. But this would all change. He would meet many friends that have appeared on his channel, including Henry, Mitchell, and, most importantly, Smurfo. After becoming friends, many of DREG's viewers would start to see a change in his behavior. He would start to get funny.
By you get stuff, you mean beg your mother for money.
And his voice got deeper for some reason.
You get banned, and that would ruin the video.
I'll do it,
Please
don't.
That would ruin the video.
But with time going on, DREG would stop playing the games his fans grew to love watching him play. He moved on to, at the time, a game that he got very addicted to, called CSGO. He started to get more and more angry as time would go on, to the point where his friends started to notice and talk to him about how he was treating them.
Me and not get banned.
Because you need to turn the other cheek. Stupid.
Not the only cheeks that's turning tonight. I'm on fire!
I got him once.
You're big. Oh, Connor, what is that?
Connor's garbage.
Connor, you're reticle.
Exactly. It's
What's
so
his
good.
reticle?
Dude, it's pink, but it's like it's like the standard one, but except pink, and it covers half his screen.
It doesn't cover half of my screen.
Yes, it does, Connor. You can't see a single thing with that.
I can see Connor's.
It's horrible. It's so bad.
What?
It's so bad.
After seeing these clips being spread all over the internet, DREG knew he had no choice but to change his YouTube career again. Unfortunately, this would be his last. DREG decided that the best option to get these videos of him being mocked off of YouTube was to bargain with the worldwide star, Satan himself. He decided to sell his soul to him to get a fresh new start with YouTube. All it took was for him to win a game of chess. DREG knew the consequences, but if he lost, but that didn't matter. He still tried to beat him. He uploaded his final video ever, titled Chess with Satan. This would mark the end of not only his career, but his life, as in the video he lost against Satan. The video cuts off at the end, which begs the question, if DREG died, then who uploaded the video? Is he a fraud? And will he ever return to YouTube? Many people have been asking these questions for years, and we hope that soon we will find an answer. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and go watch these other videos that should be linked right here. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.